Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on Moto G45. Let's begin! First, we want to simply make sure that our auto brightness is enabled. We can do that by expanding our control center twice. And at the top we have our brightness bar. As you can see, it is currently pretty low. However, we can head into the settings, head into display, and right below brightness level we have the ability to just enable adaptive brightness, and you will notice that our brightness levels just bumped up immediately. Alternatively, though, if I remember correctly, we should have the ability to find auto brightness button here or add it through the pencil icon. So if we would scroll down, we have the night light, color intervention, we have extra dim, which is something different but somewhat similar, and as you can see there is no way, or at least I am blind, to enable auto brightness through here. Some phones have the ability to click some sort of brightness icons, but Moto doesn't have it, so if you want to, you can once again head into settings, display, and right at the top we have adaptive brightness. And if the simple turn off, turn on doesn't work for you and you still have some issues, I would also advise you to just reboot your device. You can do that by pressing and holding power button and then hitting restart. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you restart your phone, you're not only rebooting your software but hardware as well, including sensors that are directly responsible for detecting the light levels around you and then using that information, using that data to make auto brightness feature work properly. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.